Hey everyone, welcome back. So this is our day 43 and today we're gonna solve a problem which is easy but it's kind of related to array. So this will clear out your array related concepts. So let's see what this problem is all about and then we will start solving this problem. So if you kind of want to read out this problem, then you can pause the video and read this problem. So now let's see what we understood from this problem. Okay, so what we need to do here is we need to write a program which takes an array n, a position x and a number y as input. And what we need to do is we need to insert the element y into the array at a specific position which is x. Okay, now let's see with let's understand with the help of an example. Okay, so this is the input which is given to us. So here 5 basically represents the length of the array. So we have exactly 5 elements in this array, and 3 is the position where we need to insert the element, and 5 is basically the value which we need to insert. So here it is saying that at third position we need to insert 5. So let's see where is this third position. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is our third position. So here in place of this 1 we need to insert 5. And then we need to shift these elements right side. So the final output will become 2, 3, 5, 1, 4, 2. Now as you can see in the output 2, 3, 5, 1, 4, 2. So this is what we need to do. So like sounds easy, right? And the solution is a bit easier. Okay, so I have wrote this initial solution previously because I was shifting one element to the right. Then I decided like if Python natively supports some functions which we can directly utilize, then we can directly use those approach instead of shifting one elements to the right. Okay, so let's directly jump into the easier solution and more optimized solution. Okay, so let's write that. Okay, so we have wrote our solution here. So what basically we are doing here, so we are taking the n from the user, which is the size of the array. Then we are asking the user to input the array. Then we are asking user to give us the position. Then we are asking for the value. Okay, after this is done, all this done, then what we are doing, we are created a variable array. Okay, so we are taking the array here. Now what array we are taking? So basically we are using this insert element function and we are passing all our value to this function. So as you can see here, this is our function, and inside this function what we are doing is we are saying array dot insert position comma value. So we are applying this insert function to our array, and we are defining the position where we need to insert the element and what element we need to insert at that position. That we just need to give, and then we can return our array. So once we get our array in the return, and we will print that return value. So that's what we are doing. So let's run this and see how it's work, like how it works. So first let's say the input is 5, and we will take this array as input. So let's paste it here, and then we have the position 3 and the element is 5. So position is 3 and the value is 5, and we get 2, 3, 1, 5, 4, 2 and 2, 3, 1, 5, 4, 2. Okay, so we did a mistake here, so let's correct this. Okay, so basically positions should be -1, right? So now let's run this again. Okay, we did a mistake. So instead of giving position here, we will directly reduce while taking the input from the user. Okay, now let's give it 5, paste our array, give it 3, and we need to insert 5 there, and and we get 235142. So we get 235142, which is correct. So we have successfully solved this problem. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Python programming content. See you in the next video.